everyone, this is Irvin here, aka Team with Irvin. Thank you for joining me to another week. Today is November 2nd, 2019, and I just want to say today we have a great month of setups that are gonna be available for you guys. Please pay attention to your new month. There will be amazing setup coming in, and hopefully a lot of you will be squeezing hundreds of pips. So please pay attention to that. All right, going to our Forex disclaimer, guys. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just another fellow trader looking to squeeze hundreds of pips out of this market. Remember, the market is not our friends. The market is here to steal our money. So now you need to be well educated and take quality trades. If you do not know how to do that, I start doing the one-on-one session, and so far we have plenty of you guys very happy with this service. So if you want to get help, please, I will be leaving the link below so you can send me a private message to my Telegram group. Okay, thank you guys, and hopefully you guys will also earn hundreds of pips with me. All right, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, guys, please do so. Click the bell notification there so you can know when I load the next video. And now we start doing we do our analysis now is on Sundays, and then we do a retouch based on what we're gonna be doing today. We're gonna be retouching our on Wednesday. On our Wednesday class, we review everything so you will know exactly what we have been doing during our Sunday session. And now this is especially only for our members in our chat room. And our Wednesday goes live because that basically is considered all data, and we just review the all charts. All right, let's go over and show you some of you guys that are extremely happy with the one-on-one session, and it gives me a privilege to work with such an amazing company, the Triple Arrow system, and is, in my opinion, is the best system in the world. And here we have some of our members that are extremely happy, letting the team know how, Team with Irvin has come in and changed their perspective of trading Forex. And we have some of others as well making pips. So just by following the rules, you will make profit. And that's not it. There's more to show you guys, but I cannot go over. There is another testimonial here where this other trader start making his blue screen, making a lot of blue pips instead of being negative. So, and look, he grew his account 36% in 24 hours. And he was saying not even the bank can give him that. The bank will give you maybe, I don't know, maybe 1-2 cents out of every 100 you have in there, if you have it. All right. There's another great testimonial here. It says, thanking me for an amazing session. Hey, they learn, how to look the chart in a different way. My way is, guys, I always say, you guys are paying to use the Triple Arrow, learn and master your Triple Arrow. We have such an amazing instructors on it. We had the CEO, Mr. Pat, Uncle P, and then we have Miss Jenny, Miss Jenny has her Mondays, I think it's Tuesday and Thursday classes, live trading on the evening, and they also had the 6-figure challenge where you guys can join. And we had the Mr. Elvis, the Ichimoku masterpiece. He is a beast doing what he do. So we are here to help you guys. We are 4 of us, very talented in what we do, and we always help each other. Unfortunately, a lot of you guys saying, hey Irvin, why don't you charge for this, for your help? Because I was doing it for free at one time, but it takes a lot of time. So now I'm starting to charge a very small fee for the knowledge that you're gonna get is extremely very low. All right. So, all right, guys, the next app that I want to show you guys is how to check my Forex hour, your news are gonna be on the next one on my I will show it to you. But on my Forex hours, basically what it tell you is the calendars. It give you the real time of your London, New York, Frankfurt, Tokyo, Sydney. There is market hours of showing you many market openings, so on. So there's plenty of information. And remember, guys, this is just an app, okay? So a lot of you are saying, Irvin, I can download my Forex hour. You can type, Google it, Forex hour. It will give you that, guys. It's so simple. All right. The next one that you need, and I think every trader need to check, guys, is my Forex book. You have to check my Forex book. I don't care what you're doing. It's something very important because whatever I'm gonna be showing you today, guys, is subject to change based on the news that are gonna be released. All right, so this is called my Forex book. Please, guys, please download this so you can be updated with the news that are gonna be released every single day during this week. So don't just be surprised that a trend can be working on your favor and now suddenly it goes the opposite way. All right, and another thing, guys, if you haven't subscribed to my Facebook, please do so. Go to Forex USA group, and so you will get also notification in there as well, and hopefully we all are in the same page. All right, guys, so let's move forward and hopefully we are good on that one. Again, if you haven't hit that notification bell, there it is, guys. All you gotta do is hit that so you can be notified when we put our next video, our educational video, because all we do here is trying to teach you, and so you can earn hundreds and hundreds of pips during the week. All right, let's get to work, and hopefully we all agree with our analysis. All right, guys, so here we're gonna start with GBP NCD in 4 hours. This pair, we analyzed this pair live on our Wednesday evening class. And here I said it, guys, the market was gonna do a retesting our 23 to our 0 Fibonacci line. And look at what the market did. The market did exactly what I told you guys they was gonna do. So far, everybody's happy based on that. And also, I wanted to make it clear to you guys, I'm not a signal provider, all right? I do not do that. I don't want to do it unless otherwise change. But so far, I'm not interested until further notice. All right, so there's an opening. There's a possibility that I can do it, but I just nothing has convinced me yet to do it. All right, so this is what I told you guys on Sunday. Okay, that the market was gonna come and retest our 0 to our 23 Fibonacci line, and look at what the market hit our area here. Here's the candles, and now I said the market was gonna continue to drop and retest our 50 Fibonacci line to our 38, and so far that's what the market is doing. So this is valid. Why did I say that, guys? Because look at what we had. We work here with our big boss. Here's the triple arrow system. If you don't have the triple arrow system, guys, or you share this video, please, I will be leaving the link below. Look at it. You don't need to purchase. This is not a big sale. You just need to look at it, and there's plenty of information in our website, and you can subscribe whenever you want to. Okay, if you don't want to, then keep doing what you're doing. I don't care. All right, so now we're gonna move on to our next one. We're gonna move, guys, to our GBP USD, and hopefully this pair everybody analyze it with me so we can make a better decision. All right, guys, what is the first thing that you guys see in this trade? All right, first thing you see is what? Triple arrow. And what is the triple arrow telling you it's doing? Look at that. It's telling you it's a sell, guy. That's what it's doing. What did I tell you on? Well, we analyzed this on Wednesday. The market was going to do a pullback. I removed that. Done. What is next? For now, the market is going to drop to our 23 to our 50 Fibonacci line. That is the golden area that it's going to do, guys. For those that don't know, our golden area is between our 23, I'm sorry, to our 38 to our 61 area. So that is my golden area in my opinion. So you're gonna be seeing a retracement in those particular areas. And hopefully this will help you. And guys, look at here what I'm teaching you. What I'm teaching you here is straightforward triple arrow price action, and that's simple. Keeping it simple. That's what you pay, that's what you need to know. I'm not showing you anything extra fancy, nothing like that. It's straightforward to the point. So it's very easy. And for those that are confused, that don't know how to do this, or they need help, you know, again, you can send me a private text. I will be leaving my Telegram group, and we can put a class together so you can master your skills. All right. In life, we all need an instructor, no matter what. All right, guys. So hopefully everybody is okay with Euro USD. The next pair that I'm gonna be showing you now is the GBP versus the Canadian in 4 hours. What is the first thing that you spotted, guys? Look at here. Bingo. We have our triple arrow. And what direction do you think the market is heading based on the triple arrow? Well, you said it was a sell, right? That's exactly what the market is doing. It's a sell. So hopefully all of you agree with me. I already gave you this analysis. Now I just gonna be telling you what the market is gonna be doing. All right. Now what I'm looking for this coming week, the market is gonna drop to our 23 to our 38 Fibonacci line. That area to me is very powerful. I believe that is my golden area. So from that area, we're gonna continue and analyze this on our Wednesday evening class, so you all can see it exactly what will be the turnout. And then from there, we're gonna determine what will be next. But we're gonna stick to that, all right? So make sure if you haven't subscribed to the channel, guys, please do so. It's for your own good. All this information here is totally free. Totally free. And I'm not a signal provider. You can do whatever you want. But I'm not here to give you any signal. I just want to clarify that and remind you, okay? All right, so let me erase this so we can move on to our next pair. The next pair that I have for you is on the daily is the GBP versus the US dollars. What I'm seeing here on the daily, guys, is I'm seeing the big arrow. If we move to our 4 hour, most likely the triple arrow will be waiting for you in there. So what I'm expecting to see this coming week is a retracement to retest our 61 to our 50 Fibonacci line before it does a correction. All right, so hopefully this will help you guys, and we're gonna reanalyze anyway on our Wednesday class. All right, the next pair is the US dollar versus the Canadian. This is done on the daily again, and some of you guys are texting me and saying, Irving, why are you using the daily? Sometimes you do your analysis on 4 hours, sometimes you do it in daily. Well, guys, my favorite time is always the 4 hours and the daily. So I just fancy it up, guys. You should be happy what I'm doing for you. You shouldn't be questioning me. But I mean, I like it one way or another, because I know that you guys paying attention and you want to get more out of it, and hopefully that helped. And there is one person that I want to give a shout out. His name is Kashi Arshad. He asked me to analyze NCD USD. He want me to analyze it on my next analysis. I don't know who that person is, to be honest, but I'm gonna analyze this pair so he can know how to use the triple arrow if he's not using it. So we're gonna throw that in there. So hopefully I won't forget at the end of the analysis. All right. So So that's it for this pair. I don't know if I analyze it. Oh, I don't think I have done it. All right, so what are we seeing here, guys? I'm seeing the triple arrow is pointing a bullish market. Can you spot the triple arrow on this? Have you done it yet? All right. Well, if you say it was here, it's here. Look, you got it. You were right. What do you think the market is doing now? It's bullish? All right. Good job, guys. Good job. Good job. I know you're there. I know you're talking to me. So bear with me. On Wednesday, you're going to be really talking to me again. All right. All right. So you said it was a bullish market. That's perfect. You were right. Now, what do you think it's going to do this week? We're looking for the market to retest our 52 or 61 Fibonacci line. From that area there, we're going to see a small pullback retesting our 38 Fibonacci line. And then it's going to continue up the way how the market is supposed to go. So we're going to come back to this pair on Wednesday and we're going to reanalyze it. Hopefully you guys are going to be joining our live session. Every Wednesday now on, everything will be live. You learn what we do on Sunday. Anyway, it's going to be considered all data because all those pips you have missed it. If you're not part of the triple arrow system, you have missed all those pips. And hopefully next week you will join us. All right. All right, moving on, guys. The next pair will be the AUD versus the US dollar. This pair is done on the 4 hours analysis. The triple arrow here is the market is doing a bullish market in this trade. Now, what am I expecting to see this coming week? I'm expecting the market to drop and retest between our 23 to our 38 Fibonacci line. And then we're going to retouch this pair back on Wednesday and we're going to proceed from there. So, but I do not want to tell you what the market may do next because I want you to join me on Wednesday. So you can learn, you can ask questions and everybody learn as well. So we are at the end, we are a happy family, or we are in the same boat. All right. All right, guys. So now let's move to our next pair. The next pair that I have for you guys here is the CHF versus the Japanese yen. This is done on the 4 hours. Look at what I told you. I forgot to erase this. This was what I told you guys on Wednesday. So the market, basically the market is still correct. I told you the market was doing a small pullback, fine, and the market was going to take off and retest our 0 to our 23 Fibonacci line. And look at what the market is. The market gave you a little bit more pip than what I said. Look at that. I said market was going to hit here. And it gave you an additional pips. So you're here to make pips, right? So, hey, it gave you an additional 25 more pips. So you should be happy. The more pips you get, remember, we're here to collect what? Hundreds of what? Of hundreds of pips. So this is amazing. And what did I say on Wednesday? I said, hey, you know, the market is going to drop from that area. But now it gave us, since it gave us more pips, I mean, the analysis is still accurate. So what I'm expecting is a continuation of the trend down, and then we're going to retouch this guy back on Wednesday, and we're going to go from there. Okay? So hopefully you are okay with this one. Let's look at our next pair here. On here, we had the euro versus the New Zealand dollar. What I'm expecting to see this coming week, I'm expecting to see a retracement back, a pullback, retesting our 23 to our 38 Fibonacci line. From that particular area, I'm expecting to see a small pullback, retesting our 23 to our 0 Fibonacci line before the market continue down. But we're gonna be seeing a small retracement in this area. So please pay attention. If you guys find this very difficult, again, you can book 101 if you want to. If not, it's fine. You can keep learning. We are 4 of us teaching you how to read the charts, and we all learn from different coaches. So, but we are a family that we are helping all of you guys. All right. All right, let's move forward, and we're gonna move to our USD versus our Swiss francs. This is done on the 4 hours. What I'm expecting to see this week, guys. What do you think the market is doing? Well, you said it was a bullish, right? Exactly. That's what the market is doing. What do you think the market is, what direction? If you see the triple arrow pointing up, market is a bullish market, guys. Some of you see the market is going bullish, but you guys sell. Guys, some of you really need this one-on-one. Some of you really need to get to the bottom of this and learn what area you're making mistake. So by doing the one-on-one, you're gonna earn a lot of knowledge. You're gonna have less losses. You're gonna have quality trades on your chart. You're gonna start seeing blue pips. Remember, you joined this business to make pips. You didn't join this business to be a negative. If you're gonna keep doing what you're doing, this is not a business for you guys. All right. You don't need to coach me. You don't need to hire me. None of that. There you can find many coaches all over the internet. They're there to help you either. But some of you really need this, guys. All right. Remember one thing, guys. If you do what is hard now, your life will be easier. But if you do what is easier, all those shortcuts and everything, and you think, oh yeah, I'm gonna manipulate the market, the market's gonna do what I think I'm gonna do, your life will be miserable. It will be hard. So remember, do what is hard now. Get the proper education, so your life will be easier tomorrow, and you will be laughing. You will have a different lifestyle. But you need to change that mindset, guys. I really wanted everyone to learn. Find a way, find someone. Text someone in the chat room and find that help if you're struggling. But some of you, I know they're brand new. There's plenty. We have plenty hundreds of members in our chat room. One of them can coach you. But if you're confused, so please, help yourself. All right, what are we seeing for this week, guys? I'm seeing here that it's probably gonna create another 2-3 bars before the market continue the way up, because the market is a bullish market. I already said it, right? And then we're gonna see a retracement back, retesting our 38. Yes, our 38 to our 50 Fibonacci line before it does a small pullback, retesting our mid 23.6 Fibonacci line. For those that are taking my 101, they should know why I'm referring to our mid 23 Fibonacci line, because that is a very strong area. We're gonna go ahead and reanalyze this pair back on Wednesday. All right. All right, let's move on. All right, we have here the GBP versus the Japanese yen. What is the first thing that you see, guys? All right, you said it was a triple arrow, right? There it is. What do you think the triple arrow, what's the meaning of the triple arrow? Guys, and the reason I'm asking this is because, we're still getting a lot of newbies coming in. So hopefully this helped the newbies, all right? Because I really want everyone to, learn. So when you see the triple arrow here, first thing you have to know, the market is doing a sell. All right, it's selling down. Now, what I'm expecting to see this coming week, I'm expecting, guys, to see a continuation of the trend, retesting our 23 to our 38 Fibonacci line before it does a small pullback, retesting our 0 Fibonacci to our 23, and then it's gonna continue to sell off, because overall the market is selling. It's a bearish market. All right, guys. All right, we're gonna keep it simple and straightforward and make to the point. Look at this pair. This is amazing. This pair, we had a challenge on Wednesday. Triple arrow was sitting right in this area. And someone tell me, Irvin, yes, but the market is bullish. Yes, you are absolutely correct. And I agree and I applaud you for that, because you know what the market is doing. And then, I mean, the market took us as lost. So far in 3 months, this is the only pair that we have lost in 3 months, guys. This is it. This is the only pair that we have lost in 3 months. And you're gonna tell me this stuff don't work, guys. Triple arrow is one of the best systems in the world. I don't know about you, but I assure you, this is the best system in the world. Now, what are you seeing this week, guys? Look at here. Look at how beautiful triple arrow is. Triple arrow come in. All right. So what I'm expecting to see is a small correction coming, retest our 50 Fibonacci line, giving us a small pullback, retesting our 0 to our 23 Fibonacci line, and bam! Where do you think it's gonna go? It's gonna come down. Simply because the market is a bullish market. It's selling down. All right. So hopefully that correct many of you guys. And we're gonna reanalyze it anyway on Wednesday, and we're gonna go from there. Our next pair that I have is our Australian dollar versus our Canadian. And this is done on the 4 hours. AUD CAD. What did I tell you guys on Wednesday, guys? I really didn't want to touch this because I really want to come and tell you. Look, guys, the only pair up to now that we had lost and we still have as a loss was the USD JPY. But all the rest of the 11 pair, they still met our rules that we analyzed it on Wednesday. So that's another great, awesome week that we have. Because, I mean, the triple arrow don't lie. When triple arrow comes once, you got to reanalyze it with more time frame. Bingo. It can't be wrong. Now, what did I say on Wednesday? Okay, the market is going to take off. It's going to retest our 23 Fibonacci line. 38, I'm sorry, my apology. 38 Fibonacci line. What did you get more? You get some additional pips. What do you think that you get more pips? What do you think? Come on, guys. I know someone is answering. What do you see there? The market is bullish. So you're trading with the trend now. So the market give you more than I told you, and you're here to make more, not to make less. If the market is giving you more, sure. That's what you need. But let's see how many pips extra it gave you from what I told you. It gave you 92 extra pips, guys. Couple $100 in there. Yeah, I mean, telling you guys. All right, so we're gonna please the person that sent us a message, Mr. Let me repeat his name. His name, well, we're gonna give him a shout out. His name is Kashif Arshad. He sent this message 1 day ago. He said, please add NCD USD pair in your next analysis. Also, thank you, and thank you for sending us messages. So since you asked for it, we're gonna please you. All right, because we're here to help everyone. Whoever asks for help, we're here to help you. All right, let's go and find it. NCD USD. There you go. All right, there it is. That's my whole template. Guys, remember, for those that don't have the triple arrow, I will be leaving the link below, so you can either join. If you don't want to, that's fine. Keep doing what you're doing, guys. That's fine with me. But some of you need help, all right? Some you don't. Some of you are bees doing what you're doing. Let me correct something here because it's showing Euro USD instead of NCD, right? All right, let me click here. Let me get out of here. Perfect. There's your New Zealand dollar versus your USD. And if you are new to our channel, please go ahead and send us a message if you want a pair to be analyzed, and we're gonna please you, and hopefully we'll see you in our chat room one day. All right, what's his name? Now let me turn my phone, guys. Bear with me. We're here to help this guy. All right, so all of you are already in the system, so we need to help our newbies. Mr. Kashif Arshad. All right, Mr. Kashif, what do you see on this trend? All right, look at what you see. If you're not a member of Triple Arrow, hopefully you become one. Here is your Triple Arrow. So the Triple Arrow is showing you the market is bullish. That's all it is. Bear with me. Let me delete this. The market is bullish. I don't know what system you're using, but that's exactly what it's doing. Now, if I had to tell you, okay, what is the market gonna do this week? Sure, why not? That's a different question, but I'm gonna do it for you. What I'm expecting this week is maybe to do another 3 more candles before the market does a correction and come down and retest our 38 Fibonacci line. I'm sorry, our 38.2 Fibonacci line. So we're gonna leave this pair right there. So when you join us on Wednesday, we're gonna reanalyze this market and tell you what will be the next step. But so far, we're gonna leave it in there, all right? So hopefully you will watch this video and see that we answer your question. All right, so I want to thank everyone for coming in today, and remember, if you want the one-on-one session, please send me a private message and I will be more than happy to help you. If you don't want it, it's fine. Keep doing what you're doing. Find success however you're doing it. But we are here to help you if you want to be helped. All right. Thank you guys again, and I look forward to seeing you next time.